बैक टू माई चैनल गाइस। एंड इस वीडियो के टाइटल पर से आपको पता चल ही गया होगा और मेरे इस मेकअप से कि ये वीडियो होने वाला है इस मेकअप लुक पर। रात्रि आई हैव क्रिएटेड दिस सिंपल येट ब्यूटीफुल मेकअप लुक दैट यू कैन कैरी ऑन एनी लहंगा दैट यू वांट। सो प्लीज इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक के देखिएगा एंड विदाउट एनी फर्दर ड्यू लेट्स स्ट्रेट अवे गेट इनटू द वीडियो। सबसे पहले we are going to apply this primer. So that it stays intact. We are done applying the primer. Now we are going to apply our foundation. So for foundation I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. You can use any foundation that you want. Your foundation brush and split this. Now that I am done with my foundation, I am going to apply the concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Just a little bit under your eyes. And on the places you feel you have some spots. Now you can blend this with a beauty blender or you can just blend this with the same brush that you have applied the foundation with. I'm done applying the concealer. Just take your beauty blender and just dab on the excess. So you all know what is the next step, that is exactly the foundation. I am applying this Lakme compact powder. Just take little bit amount and just dab it. And that's it. Now I'm going to contour my face. So the next thing that I'm going to use is the contour powder, and for that I'm using the Sugar Contour powder. And I will also apply it on my nose. And on the corners. So I'm done with the contouring. Now I am going to do my eye makeup. For that I'm going to use the Revolution palette, and from here I am going to take this brown shade and to apply it evenly. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हाथ से बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी तरीके से लगता है आई शैडो, सो आई एम यूजिंग माई फिंगर. So that's it. Take the eyeshadow brush and I am going to take this pink color and I will just so that's enough. I'm going to just rub this. So that's it. To take this Revolution palette, it's like nude colors all in this one colorful palette, and this one is totally a nude palette. Take this golden shade and I will just that's it. We have applied this color. Now I'm going to take the Nykaa liquid eyeliner apply a wink on my eyes. So yes, this is my eyeliner. This is how I'm going to apply the eyeliner. Now you'll see a very simple transformation. So here I'm done with this eye makeup as well. Now do the eyebrows. And for the eyebrows I'm going to use this Maybelline palette, which is almost done. I mean, lagbhag khatam hi hone par aa gaya hai. Here I'm going to take this black color as always, and I am going to just fill my eyebrows. Not too much, but just where needed. It's a shimmery shade, and I'm just going to apply it below the eyebrow, just for that shine. Take an eyebrow brush and just comb it nicely. Eyelashes, I'm going to take the Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. Favorite eyelash curler. For this to dry, which is from Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to take this pink shade and just dab it. You can see the glow on my face. Actually, this palette is like really beautiful. It has all the 3 shades for highlighter, blush and bronzer as well, and it gives a very glowy effect on your cheeks without applying any highlighter. I'm just applying the blush. Little bit on your chin or your nose, and then I'll be applying the highlighter. As you can see, it's like very much pigmented. So yes, little bit on the nose. Now I'll be applying the lipstick. As you all know, this one is my favorite. It's from, any guesses? Yes, it's from Maybelline as well. I love Maybelline products. Yes, I'm done applying. Now what I'll do is I'll take the eyelash curler. This is like you'll get it from anywhere. You can buy it from Nykaa, you can buy it from Amazon, and I'll just curl it for some time. Similarly, I'll take this one and I'll curl this one as well. Take again the mascara, and once again. And now I'll apply it to the bottom lashes. This is the kajal from Nykaa Beauty, which is Black Magic, and I have done a whole eye makeup on this kajal, and trust me, this kajal is like so intense. I mean, it's so deep in color, and you'll just need a single stroke to do a smoky eye with this one. I've also made a reel. Haven't checked out that reel? Please go on the reel section and you can check the reel on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here. You can follow me here. I'm going to apply this one. Now again, I'll take this Revolution palette because I have to add color underneath my eyes, and I'll take a brown shade and I will just apply it under my eyes for that extra, smoky effect, so that your eye looks more beautiful. Similarly, I'll repeat it on the other eye to get that, effect. So here I'm done with the makeup. For additional traditional touch, I am going to use, any guesses? Comment below before I do that. Pause it for a minute and just write it in the comment section what I'm going to do next. And जिसने सही आंसर दिया उसे क्या मिलेगा? उसे क्या मिलेगा? उसे मिलेगा तालियां. Next touch, I'm going to add some bindi. This is the gold diamond वाली बिंदी से कहते हैं, I guess. So that I'm going to add. A pro tip: if आपका मेकअप हो जाता है and you want to lift the eyebrows, you just need to clean it from the corners so that it looks. क्या ये एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ मैं? सो येस, दिस इज़ माई ओवरऑल मेकअप एंड मैं जब से आपको घाघरा पहन कर दिखाती हूँ एंड दिस मेकअप विल गो विद बोथ द घाघरा. एंड आपको देखना है तो प्लीज़ इसे लास्ट तक देखिएगा. एंड येस, लेट्स गो. That's it for the video guys. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. बहुत ही बेसिक सा सिंपल सा मेकअप था जो मैंने आपको सिखाया एंड आपको रियली ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा एंड येस, नोटिफिकेशन बेल उसे भी क्लिक कीजिएगा. Until next time guys, take care and bye bye.